Hi everyone, Jeff Appleby here from Oakland Realty. It is July 2021. We've got your June 2021 statistics, so your market updates. We're filming in kits today, so I wore my Lululemon shirt. I thought it was very appropriate. I've been saying this over the last few months, headlines are confusing. So if we look at what's been going on, the past 2 months have shown a market that's shifting towards more historically typical conditions, or sales have eased back from the record-setting pace in March and April and are down another 12% from May. So this makes it seem like things are really slowing down, and they are, but you gotta keep in mind, sales were 18% above the 10-year average for the month of June. So it was kind of a hot month. It just wasn't the face-melting heat that we had in March and April, which was historical madness. So in any other year, sales 18% above the 10-year average would be the headline. But it's not right now because we've come out of such a crazy phase. So if we look at a few other things, inventory is down 17% across the board, while sales are only down 12%. And sales being down in June is historically normal as well. June is never quite as busy as March, April, May. Not typically. If we look at the sales to active ratios in a couple areas, there's a few things that stand out. So the sales to active ratio in East Van is at 53%. So 53 homes out of 100 are selling in a month. That is a really strong sales to active ratio. Things are moving, there's high demand. If we look at Vancouver West, it's 26%. It's about half as strong. That includes downtown. And if we look further at Yaletown, the West End, and Gastown, those are 22, 19, and 23%. So those are straddling the balanced market and the seller's market. So only 20 homes out of 100 are selling in a month. I still am bullish on downtown in the long term. I think it's a great opportunity to buy still because we're not fully opened, and that will change. On the detached side, we saw a bit more normalization. One area that stands out is North Vancouver. We still have really strong detached demand in North Van, 45% sales to active ratio, really strong. So we are having more upward pressure on pricing there. Days on market is climbing in all property types. It's just normalizing, and it is benefiting buyers, but we still are not really having a turnaround in the market. So very nuanced as always. One other thing that stands out, I didn't mention, Mount Pleasant condos are at a 56% sales to active ratio, super strong. Kits is at a 71% sales to active ratio. So these markets are still moving really quickly. These are central, high desirable areas outside of the downtown core. And that's the trend we're seeing there. So very nuanced market. Let me know how I can help. Let me know what area you're looking, price band, all those things, and I can advise you and set a plan for you. Get in touch anytime.